Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the boundaries of the triangle of auscultation in a very short. So I have shown here your figure. This is your trapezius muscle. Okay, this is your trapezius muscle. This is your latissimus dorsi, and this is your scapula. This is clavicle. Okay, this is the Cromion process, and this is your T1 to T12 ligamentum nuchae, superior nuchal line. So, and this area, this where I have dots, this is known as triangle of auscultation. This area is known as triangle of auscultation. So coming to the boundary of triangle of auscultation, so medial border is formed by lateral border of trapezius. This is trapezius, this is trapezius, this is your trapezius. So the medial border is formed by lateral border of trapezius. Laterally it is bounded by the medial border of scapula. This is your scapula, and scapula's medial border is forming the lateral boundary of the triangle of auscultation, and inferiorly it is bounded by the upper border of latissimus dorsi. This is latissimus dorsi, and its upper border is, and the floor of the triangle of auscultation is formed by rhomboid major.